Ionthis is a full-service contract manufacturer that specializes in die cast. What do I mean by full service? We supply a finished product including machining, powder coating, wet coating, silk screening, engraving, fastener or bracket installation, or even semi or complete box builds. Let's take a look at some examples of our die cast. When you look at these smaller parts, these are zinc die casts that have been either plated by nickel, zinc, or gold plated. This is a magnesium die cast, very small components for zinc die cast. Over here we start getting into aluminum die cast. These are simple components that have been die cast and then zinc plated afterwards. This is a EMI plate that's been die cast and then machined. This is just a simple end plate. Over here, these are some custom parts that we've done for some people. This is a die cast heatsink for a PCB computer. This is a die cast heatsink for an instrument. This is another die cast heatsink that's been machined also. As we move over here, you can see some of our IP67 enclosures. Again, Ionthis is a full-service contract manufacturer. We can take your drawing and manufacture the product for you, or we can take your concept and do the design work for you also. If you'd like more information about Ionthis, please contact us at info@ionthis.com. That's info@ionthis.com. Thank you.